कभी सोचा है कुछ लोग मजलूम इसलिए नहीं रहते क्योंकि उनके साथ गलत होता है, बल्कि इसीलिए रहते हैं क्योंकि मजलूम रहना आसान होता है। Sometimes we cling to our chains because freedom feels unfamiliar. Stay with me. This video might make you feel uncomfortable, but it might also change how you see your life. We all know someone like this, a friend who is always wronged, the person who feels the universe is against them, the co-worker with endless stories of betrayal. और अगर हम सच बोलें तो हम खुद भी कभी ना कभी ये शख्स बन चुके हैं. It's the truth that no one likes to admit. People don't stay victim because they are weak. They stay because victimhood feels more safer than responsibility. मसला कमजोरी का नहीं होता, मसला जिम्मेदारी लेने से डरने का होता है. Let's be clear. The real victim of abuse or harm deserve empathy, respect, support and protection. But a victim mindset is different. It's not about that happened once. It's about an identity that says, जिंदगी मेरे साथ होती है, मेरी वजह से नहीं. It becomes an internal script. I am helpless by default. और जब ये आइडेंटिटी बन जाए तो ग्रोथ वहीं रुक जाती है. Reason 1. Victimhood feels psychologically safe. If you are powerless, you can't be blamed. You can't fail. Definitely, you don't have to decide. Victimhood becomes a shield. जब जिम्मेदारी ही नहीं होती तो गलती करने का डर भी नहीं होता. There is a phenomena in psychology that explains it well. Secondary gain. This explains why victims stay victim even it hurts. It means someone unconsciously benefits from their suffering. Not money, not success, but attention, sympathy, control. यानी दर्द खुद मसला नहीं होता, फायदा मसला होता है. जब दर्द से तवज्जो मिलती है तो दिमाग दर्द छोड़ना नहीं चाहता. Second reason, pain brings attention, sympathy, validation, care. ये सब emotional rewards हैं. And attention is addictive. जब दर्द से किसी को प्यार मिलता है तो वो उस दर्द को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता. So instead of healing the wound, people tend to protect it. Third reason, it justifies inaction. Psychology called it learned helplessness. After enough disappointments, the brain decides trying is pointless. फिर बंदा कहता है क्या फायदा कोशिश का, मेरी गलती थोड़ी है. And life stays the same. Let's understand it deeply. Helplessness by Martin. This is the backbone of victim mindset psychology. It happens when someone faces repeated failure, rejection, or pain until their brain learns one dangerous lesson. Trying is pointless. Even when escape becomes possible, they don't try anymore. इसीलिए साइकोलॉजी में इसे लर्न हेल्पलेसनेस कहते हैं. जब बंदा इतनी दफा हार चुका होता है कि दिमाग सीख लेता है कि कोशिश का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, और फिर जब मौका मिलता भी है तो वो उठता नहीं है. Here is an example. Psychologists once did an experiment. Dogs were exposed to mild electric shock. They could not escape. Later, the door was opened. They could leave, but they did not. They had learned helplessness. दरवाजा तो खुला था लेकिन दिमाग बंद हो चुका था. For moral superiority, there is a quiet power in being the innocent one. If you are always wrong, you are never questioned. You are always right. You always win arguments. मजलूम रहकर बंदा गलत भी सही लगता है. Here's what people ignore. Victimhood can be controlled. By always being hurt, a person can make others feel guilty, walks on eggshells, stay close, rescue them. It's not loud control. ये खामोश कब्जा होता है. Most victims' identity are learned, not chosen. Childhood में माता parents, predictable love, emotional neglect. A child who is not heard becomes an adult who says, देखा मेरे साथ फिर गलत हुआ. Pain becomes their language. A parent says, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ कुर्बान कर दिया. Sounds noble, but underneath, unfulfilled dreams, resentment, Victim believes मेरे पास choice नहीं थी. Truth is that they hide from their desires behind sacrifices. Then there's a Sophia. हर हफ्ते कोई ना कोई उसे तंग करता था, but she created drama. Assumed intentions, thrives on chaos. सुकून उसे खाली लगता था, और chaos meaning जैसा. So she confused pain with purpose. Let's be very clear. Taking responsibility does not mean denying trauma, excusing abuse, blaming yourself. It means this: you can be wounded and still be responsible for your future. Victim mindset shatters when you ask, इस पैटर्न में मेरा क्या रोल है? और ये सवाल सबसे ज्यादा डर देता है. Victimhood छोड़ना मतलब खोना sympathy, excuses, moral high grounds और familiar identity. जिम्मेदारी आजादी तो देती है, मगर पहले तन्हा कर देती है. No applause, no rescuer, just you. Victims don't ask for connection, they ask for compensation. Others must prove loyalty, absorb blame, and fix what they did not break. People don't leave because they don't care. वो इसीलिए चले जाते हैं क्योंकि कुछ भी काफी नहीं होता. There is a phenomena in psychology called cognitive dissonance. This answers why people get angry when you challenge their victim story. When someone's identity is built on being victim, challenging that story creates a psychological pain. That pain is called cognitive dissonance. So instead of changing their story, attack the messenger. सच दर्द इसीलिए देता है क्योंकि वो पहचान तोड़ देता है. Pain may not be your fault, मगर हमेशा बेबस रहना एक फैसला होता है. No one is coming to save you from a life that you created for yourself, and no one is coming to save you from a life that you refuse to own. Victimhood offers comfort. On the other hand, responsibility offers freedom, and you cannot have both. The moment you stop asking, मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है, and start asking, मैं यहाँ क्यों रुका हुआ हूँ, या मैं यहाँ क्यों रुकी हुई हूँ, that's when life begins. Awareness does not heal you, action does. And remember this, तुम वही रहते हो जब तक तुम्हें एहसास नहीं होता कि तुम खुद वही रहना चाह रहे हो. And remember, still water smells bad.